Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Meizi Eliezer. I finished my specialization program in periodontology and implant dentistry in Bern University, Switzerland, where I also got my EFP accreditation in periodontology and implant dentistry. Today, I divide my time between my successful private clinic and international conferences where I lecture and give a hands-on on periodontology and implantology, and where I conduct my PhD research in Anton Sculian Research Center. If you are a dental professional or student, I invite you to join my journey. You will find real clinical cases, commentary, and live surgery, all designed to share knowledge and elevate care. Subscribe to join me in the operation room, in the classroom, and beyond. See you later.